Hey everybody! Tonight I'm going to make a Reuben hot dog in the air fryer with some sliced corned beef. You making fun of me? I'll tell you what, I'm going to make 2 hot dogs. Corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Thousand Island dressing. Come on over, let me show you. First I'm going to heat up the hot dogs. Come here. Make a couple slits in there because I like to. And we'll just throw these in the air fryer by themselves for about 5 minutes. We'll see. Okay. I'm going to press the French fry button, but I know I'm going to have to lower the time. Let's see. Well, anyway, I could. After about 2 minutes, I'll look at it and roll them around. It's going to be good. Did you ever have one of these? I don't think so. See? Back in 2 minutes. I smell them. Getting good, getting sizzly. Proceed. Oh, that was 5 whole minutes. Just like a campfire. Here comes the easy part. Don't burn myself. Take a hot dog. Put your thongs. Put it on that cutting board so you have a nice work surface. Take a piece of Swiss cheese. Roll it up. Roll it up. Take a piece of corned beef. This is sliced from the deli. 1 or 2, whatever you like. Roll that up. I'm going to go with 1. What do you think? Yeah, 1, but you could put 2. Then I'm going to stick a thumbtack in here. That's just to hold it still in case the air blows it around in there. Take the second one out. Piece of Swiss cheese or whatever you have available. But Swiss is more of the Reuben style. A hunk of sliced corned beef. Or chunky if you happen to have, but that ain't gonna roll too good. Roll that around. Another thumbtack. Don't talk back. Stick in the air fryer. I'm just gonna go in there for, I don't know, try another 5 minutes. It's up to me. French fries. It's gonna be good. You know it. Smells good. Oh, sizzling. All right. I got a hot dog roll here. You could use a big hoagie roll if you want. Make these out with the thumbtack holders or tongs, whatever you got handy. Whoa! Should have had a bigger bun, huh? That's all right. We're gonna make it work. Anyway, look at that. Look at that. Could be just an hors d'oeuvre for you right there, huh? A big hors d'oeuvre. Orville. Whoa, that's nice. All right, put this out of the way. What's next? I tells you. This will put on sauerkraut. It's gonna be like a regular sauerkraut dog. See that? If you like. If not, don't. It's a Reuben. Reuben Kincaid. Thousand Island dressing, or whatever you like. Similar. How these things work. So flip top. Your flip top. Put that on. I messed up that lid, didn't I? Oh, look at this. There it is. Corned beef Reuben hot dog. Take a bite. Oh, take a sloppy bite. Mmm. 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 I got cramp in my toe. Call a tow truck. Does corned beef go to your toe? That's good. You gotta try that. Good idea, huh? Alright. I'm gonna finish eating it before it slops all over the place. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. See ya.